Bagadi. Use mic with mommy. Akwaba.
Majoso.
Bibi aboko de.
You better than Kupasi. So, dear, quite. I can't any pabbe abo nipa.
I can't any pabbe abo nipa. You go soon see any pabbe.
Sir.
Right. Now, about Council dear.
Oh, quite suboko. Was it
Ghana for so on any form
as a musica na bantimonze mucha mukwana so.
Yesika.
And I am on a mucha guan. Okay. Amunyan and Temu.
So,
Amunyan and Tem. Now you be a coupon shan. Menyas was a buying a bine.
You go see young word you marry. Contractor no ne me nyanya contractor no na me pesa me ne workers ne so
ebedin ko
me pe contractor na nkasa enra na me hu se me tee se wa baha but obi si mechi
okay
enti me nyane ne ani nkomo so I want to get him directly and I say bia consultant na one na ye adwuma no na ka me nya ono a na me hu ba bia funding ni free ni onipa o ye in charge of project no ne za construction nti I believe say going forward nko si Saturday de me my nti beba de na just say aye ho adwuma wi
bayan kanu krencha Christopher ni Muslim for say before religion beba ha no na ye Ghana for dada
okay
na ye ni me ye ho ye ware ye ho ye ko school boom dada ye niema boom the fact say o ye Muslim no be ye Christian no ene ma wa kwenya so bonipa because like would you be at him obia deciding ya ope that be ye na Ghana sorry bia adwuma baako mienu baako you can imagine the employment unemployment rate no eso beti also for kan Joseph our CV Bremen na me mom pa ma passport be na me mom pa ma obon pa guza ko hina ko di adwuma no Alazie
Matthias
entino ye nwini ni aye ya sori na mo anipa bo anipa bra wo hia mo you pastor people pastoral pastor man you are leading them kwa men na wo chiro mo some ra sorry Monday to Monday no be dia didi
we initial remarks on kwana
and I make continue nice how to trust someone so me try my dream for religion ho now if it's a religion you better send me there my superior argument my superior reasoning ti a fi say
o dia no me there
ene nyanto kwako enye nipa bro azie ya si wo police headquarters so eye nim guase e magana police for especially the CID for Criminal Investigation Department. Lawyer Lydia Yakodonko. No. Is an indictment on her. Now, unya mayedi may train say metis omudin abrante na court. So man fa na court we will come and speak out.
Abrante ne mudi he.
Near our board Papa Nasu.
Okay.
You see ubo video carefully na safo post
eguso da Facebook ne so am for sure
ni ana okasa na omude ni baye what it means is that a citizen arrest
okay
so omo na achi de dia police ntu hu as police ni bia ni ba no omo dia there was not the policeman and omo record what it means is that omabono
ansa no modern
because ultimate bone or police head
then it's highly possible say wa check across on hono de aba
ansa mudi na bedru hono I say but what can say zaman lafia is not this so I was expecting Sabrant minimum no now boy so I know him
okay
now work as an minimum
okay
so now I was expecting say na no or lead ayina no kasano anka so condemning in na wo bo abrante na zoom instantly in the video I say because you can't be preaching peace
and be doing this
untimi kase preach peace na oya na yedi mra na eti o man we mu na yeti as bako ejan na oya no machi ni dia ko police station o se ebe ene ko si o kira no na ebe si bia mo be bo atiefu amane na wunua na bonasu ebia na wokas wo wie sako chamba bi chire mu ni nti a oye ni oye ye no it doesn't work like that You can't take the laws into your own hands. Na ye misa o munya handcuff ni fi.
No see another
because who make citizens arrest where do you get a handcuff from? Number who's the Abrantena could post to Facebook so be a press conference soon.
Near born as
they are no Casano.
Okay.
Also no a liaison officer. Emma, the Muslim community and the Ghana Police Service.
Oh, sir.
That is his title. I would have to know also.
I want this
press conference now. You be who? To tell no, but on your press conference, we will ask questions.
Okay.
We know them. I mean, see in this studio next week, so Mam Fabrante and Coco that will come and show you evidence of why they didn't take him to police court.
There is more to it.
Me say what the mom fanning court. I have said this song and I'm repeating it here. O man for now court. I'm a court and dealing with him. The court jano, mudi na court jano. But the police for jano. If it ends at the say you release this statement, then in the picture see a channel just no pair. They will have some of us to contend with. Because they need more links or more police station or headquarters.
Hey.
Now who can what system? What's here? Now to me got police headquarters echo film TikTok live.
No, tell me. Yes, central for crowd before we you phone cry be
very good. So yes, we give permission.
Yeah, that's true.
But Timako CID headquarters, not the ground floor.
Yeah.
And as the name
because we share corridor no more I know the top there.
I say fourth floor and fifth floor.
Yeah.
And okoye is you can't tell me the why you wear we now no. Let's wait and see what will happen.
But Charles. Yeah.
SOMPA FM.
Almost area yeah.
I think say a big issue. A recurring. I see a pet in a Puma Sibre once and for all. And I don't think it's ministerial caveat. This is the honorable mental candor,
yeah.
And a solution. No.
Oh, sir.
It is not a solution. It can be part of it.
Okay.
I say, but it is not a solution. Nintia a binko. And it's also in a brabo, you know, bono one crying. Bono Kumasia, a big school crowd, and feet of my moving cocoa school.
Minimum be or ha. Eastern region crowd and I see region no more than some crowds on see what.
And you know, sad for no. Ooh, you know, if you had the accord a crassia rural areas now. Not respect this or qua ebia. The internet, ebe okay. Because social media is so close to me interactive. About so benya baby akoda. So I say basic amenities no obe here. Enti ye mum aban mum and say o hwe se kwan men so na mema na ya attractive. Am obi beja Accra, obeja Kumasi, obeja Kofodu aho. Beja Takra don no.
Akomi kro mada so ase.
E krasi akoye ness. That's it. Yeah, now o man the tax waiver. Accommodation or
incentives
or internet to be 20 to 40% of your salary a year. Your friends say rural hardship allowance one enko. Do you get it?
Yeah.
Make it enticing. Oh, quick crash and as ye post to me. Next be a obe quick and before obe quick class yeah maybe a steady live will grant you steady make it juicy make it attractive.
Okay.
No one say or no okra diploma no diako according to survey na 5 years 2 years 3 years you get a steady live to go and upgrade obeko one enko.
Okay.
Na ye nyai sabi ahunahuna na wankwa
the way hunu say ahunahuna keke
minimum bi a wako nursing school awie or the tonyama or TikTok
ebi the ton pie do not.
I'm trying to convince them pussy on enroll or see sikana onya or enyam anya or na think say a year man You see, it's better. So, but that is her thinking now. But I'm even trying to long term. But this is what she's thinking. I know of a teacher near what go school. You are going by you. Many will can say, or the eyelashes.